Hello everybody, it's spelling time now and you've spent the last week looking through your 8 new words from Spelling Shed and today we're going to have a go through those to see if you've remembered them. For the lesson you will need a sharp pencil, a rubber, some paper. Oh, hang on. There we go. Drama over. You'll need sharp pencil, paper, rubber, and a different coloured pencil or pen for marking it later as well. At the top of your page, you will write spelling test as your title with the date. Let me get that up for you so you can copy mine. Oops, share screen. Hopefully you can see it. I think. See if you can see me. Get it myself sorted. So your title will be Spelling Test. Pause me now if you haven't already to sort yourselves out, and I'll see you back here in a moment where we can start the spelling test. Okay, here we go. Question 1. Write a number 1 at the side of your page. Your first word is birds. The birds were flying in the sky, and I want you to sound it out really carefully. Birds. Well done. Number 2. Write a number 2 at the side of your page. Your second word is girl. A young female is a girl. Let's sound it out. Go. Girl. Well done. Our third word, number 3. Put a number 3 on the next line down. Your third word is first. She was first in the line. First. Sound it out. First. Number 4. Better. Everything is going to get better. Better. Well done. Number 5 is another. Another. Listen carefully to those sounds as you spell it out. Another. It's a tricky one, that one. Another. There was another word in the spelling test. Number 6. River. The fish was swimming in the river. Have a go at writing river. Sound it out carefully. River. Number 7 is under. The bug was under the rock. Under. Under. And finally, your last word, number 8, is mother. Mother. Your mummy is also your mother. The mother had a baby. Well done. Those were your 8 words that you've been practicing this week. I'm going to go through them one more time, so check by each number that you've got the right word written, or if you've got any gaps, you've got a chance now to fill them in, and you can also pause me if you needed a bit more time. So number 1, you should have written birds. There were lots of birds in the sky. Number 2, girl. The girl was at school. Number 3, first. She was first in line. Number 4 was better. She was feeling much better. Number 5 was another. There was another word in the test. Number 6 was river. The fish were in the river. Number 7 was under. The bug was under the rock. And number 8 was mother. The mother and her children went to the park. Right, now put your pencil down to one side and pick up that other pencil or pen that you had with you in a different colour. That's going to be your marking pen. And we'll see how your spellings match with the answers. So number 1 I said was birds. This has a digraph in the IR digraph. B, D, S. Birds. Birds. Well done if you got that right with that digraph in the middle there, you see. And that's one of the phonetical patterns in some of these spellings today, because our next one, girl, has the same digraph in there. G, girl. Number 3 was first. First. All of them have that same digraph in there, the pattern. Then it changes. Number 4, better, has the ER digraph in. That kind. Better. Number 5, another. Now this was a tricky one. An. It sounds like it should be but we have to learn it as o, like the other. O, another. Another. It's a tricky one. Well done if you got that right. And don't forget, if you get any of these wrong, you can just copy out the right answer at the side in your marking pencil or pen. Number 6 was a river. River. Number 7 was under. Under. And finally, number 8 was mother. Oh, crikey, what am I doing? Mother. Our first 3 words, this is me trying to get fancy with my doodle bits, had the that sort of in it. And our last 5 words had the blend at the end, the ER digraph. You see? A huge well done if you got those right. That's really, really good going, because there were some tricky ones there this week. And if you made any mistakes, do not worry. Just write out the right answer by the side of the word that you got incorrect, so that you've practiced doing it the right way. Once you've done that, I would like you to put some of these words into sentences. I would like you to write 3 sentences using some of our spelling words for this week. Let's try a few together. So number 1, your word was birds. So a sentence that I could write with the word birds in could be, the birds were in the sky. The birds were in the sky. How many words are in that sentence? 6. So I'm going to want to count 6 words on my page at the end of the sentence. The birds were in the sky. Capital letter at the start of your sentence. The. And a finger space between each word. The birds. That's our spelling word, so that should definitely be spelled correctly. The birds, finger space, were in, finger space, the sky, I. And the I is a Y letter. At the end of your sentence, don't forget a full stop. Let's read it back and make sure that it makes sense. The birds were in the sky. Brilliant. And just to show my spelling word that's in there so we can all see, I'm going to use my pencil and carefully underline that spelling word. The birds were in the sky. So that's an example of how you might write one of your words into a sentence really carefully, making sure that it makes sense. You could use that one for your first sentence as well if you like, and then do 2 more sentences by yourself so that you have 3 sentences altogether written using the words from your spelling test today. Don't forget, your new list of spellings is on Spelling Shed for you to look at for next week's test. So have a look now after this bit and start practicing them this week so that you get on really well next week as well. I hope you're all okay. Have a super duper time writing these sentences, and I'll see you very soon. Well done. Keep up the hard work. Bye.